Jigsaw Puzzles. How to play. The object of the game is to correctly reassemble the image from the scrambled pieces. Sort the pieces and begin connecting them together. All piece connections fit perfectly with ease, expanding the image. You will never have to force two pieces together or damage them to make them fit. Use the provided image or box art as a reference while you work. Ravensburger offers puzzle accessories that assist this process, such as sorting bins to help stay organized and save space, stands to make the process more comfortable, as well as mats and storage options to allow ease of puzzling sessions. Puzzle companies like Ravensburger base puzzle difficulty off several factors, the most influential being piece count. The most common piece counts for kids are 60, 100, 200, and 300. For adults, it's 500, 1000, and 1500. But Ravensburger doesn't limit the challenge there. They also have puzzles containing 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, and 7000 pieces. The next factor in difficulty is the size of the pieces and the image of the puzzle. Some images are very distinct, while others are super complicated or plain. Some puzzles include a reference image for you to use, while others only have them on the box cover, or some have none at all. Not all puzzles are square or rectangles. While there are some longer panoramas, there are also circles, custom shapes, as well as 3D puzzles that build up off the table. These can include buildings, vehicles, spheres, characters, and other unique objects. Then there is the material. Traditional puzzles are made from cardboard, but there are also wooden puzzles which allow for unique, irregularly shaped pieces called whimsies, which are small wooden figures that typically match the theme of the image. Finally, there are also custom puzzles where you can upload your own image to create a unique experience or memory with custom artwork.